Hey friends, it's Natasha, and today I have another awesome subscription box for you. It is Womple box, and it is so adorable. Look at this cute box. Isn't that so cute? So Womple means to travel in a purposeful manner towards an unknown destination. So in the Womple box, you will discover a different country, and let's jump right in and see what's inside. Okay, so in this box, we have a little Womple keychain. Isn't that cute? We have this packet of information here. So let's open that up. So we have our Iceland Saga of the Guardians booklet. Now this contains so much information on Iceland. So you can read this together with your kids. And we have all kinds of information, all kinds of pictures. It is really well done. Talking about the legends of the trolls. We're talking about a national park, Icelandic folklore. Have a little puzzle there. Ancient runes, griffin, dragon legends, whale watching. And here we have the population, the capital city, the language, and some more basic information on horses, waterfalls, puffins. So this book is so full of information, so it would probably take you a few days to go through. We've also got an amazing map. And so this folds out, and you can put this on your wall. How fun is that? So we've got information at the top. I'm gonna make this smaller here. And then let me show you the rest of it. So isn't that cute? Okay, and then we have our stickers here. So isn't that fun? Okay, and then we open it up, and then we have some art supplies. And we have a little postcard. So what I thought would be fun is after you are done, your kids can fill out the postcard and send it to, Grandma and Grandpa and tell them a little bit about what they learned about Iceland. And I think the grandparents would just love that. Gets the kids in some writing, practicing addresses. So for this, we are going to make your own Icelandic elf. And so you got all the supplies that you need to make your elf. My girls and I had so much fun with the Womple box. All the materials that it came with were really high quality, and the booklet it came with on Iceland was so informative, and it was written in a really engaging way that captured my daughter's interest. I would definitely say that it was definitely more geared towards my 8 and 9-year-old than my 4-year-old, but my 4-year-old just likes to join in with whatever we're doing. But it was perfect for their age range, and I loved the art project. It was so cute making the little elves, and there was plenty of materials for 2 kids. So I don't know if every single box comes with enough materials for 2 kids, but this did. There was plenty. There's tons of paint left over. There was tons of felt. Everything that we needed was in the box. The only thing that I had to add from home was scissors and glue. So it even had 2 paintbrushes and everything. So that was really wonderful that I could just pull it out of the box and we can make it. And I didn't have to go run around and gather supplies. The map is large and gorgeous, and I love it. That is definitely something we'll be keeping in our homeschool collection. And we will also be keeping the little booklet too, because we can refer back to that again and again. So I loved how those components we could keep forever. Now, of course, the keychain is something that there's only one of, so we can't share that with everybody, but it is something that we can keep just as a souvenir, and we can, just have our homeschool closet key on. I keep that locked up because sometimes I don't want them to get into the art supplies. But so, that's just something fun that we can have, and now we know where the homeschool closet key is because of our cute little keychain. And the postcard is such a cute addition because it gives you a glimpse into what your box for the next month will be. And so that's great because not only can the kids write on the back of it and send it off to a relative, but it gives you a clue to the next box and you can start gearing up to that. And if you wanted to add any books from the library or anything like that, you would have some time because you would know from that postcard what the next month was going to be. But honestly, there was so much information in the booklet, I really don't think you even need to add any extra books unless you just really wanted to. But there really was enough information in the booklet that it comes with for the country, so I don't even think that's necessary. Everything was wonderful. I highly recommend it. I think that the materials were really well made. The little peg dolls were not cheap. They were nice, large, sturdy little peg dolls, and they were so cute. So I definitely recommend checking out Womple Box. I think you will be pleased. And if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm going to put all the information down in the description box of where you can go to purchase it yourself. I hope you have a blessed day, and I'll talk with you soon.